Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be cooking the pumpkin from our garden. We made kanki last night and today we're making the pumpkin here with shrimp. So that's the pumpkin here already cut up, looking nice. Looks so sweet. I have some shrimp in here already washed, drying down the rank water. Then I'll add the oil, drying down the rank water here. Add in the oil, 4 teaspoons of oil. Check out the shrimp here, nice and brown. So now I'll add some garlic, 3 big cloves of garlic. Look at that, huge. 1 red pepper, let this fry. Add in the onion, 1 whole onion. Add in some green onion. Check out the colors, looks so nice. Shrimp, garlic, onion, and green onion. Okay, then add in the pumpkin now. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. I cover it, let it steam down a little, then I'll turn it. That's a lot of pumpkin here. A whole pot of pumpkin, look. That's so much. And still we have some freeze, still we give my husband's sister some. So a lot of pumpkin, and we make kanki in our last video. Now we're making pumpkin and shrimp. We froze some. So another day we'll have pumpkin again. And this is from our garden. We kept it so long and now we decide to cut it. Looks good. Nice and red. Making some nice roti here too. Sada roti. Flour, yeast, baking powder, and warm water. 3 cups of flour. Check it out, looks good. I'll cover that and let it soak for a little bit. Checking the pumpkin here now. Looks good. We give a little bit of water so the pumpkin can cook. Looks really nice. Smells good too. Cover it again. Check out the pumpkin here. Check out the color.
Check it out guys. Look at the pumpkin here. Looking really good. Yeah, we'll have some nice pumpkin and shrimp. Ooh. I love this. This pumpkin is from the summer. just got ripe and we cut it and cooked it. And we made some pancakes already.
Looking good. Looking sweet. Cooking a roti here. Mix it with whole wheat. You can see the whole wheat. Onto the tawa. Looking nice. Check out the color. I love this color. It smells so good too. Check out your roti here, guys. Check it out. It's wetting on the tawa. Oh, check out the roti here. It smells so nice. Anyways, guys, check out the pumpkin. All done. Looking so nice. Just a couple minutes more until it dries down and it's all done. So I like to put black pepper at the end. So now I'll add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything up. Canadians like to eat the black pepper on top of their food, but Guyanese, we put it in our food when it's near done. So check it out, guys. Looking good. Anyways, guys, pumpkin is all done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. From our garden in the pot. Thanks so much again. Make sure you share with your friends if you like how my pumpkin turns out and my roti. Thanks again. Bye-bye.